Okay, good night, my friends. I won't read in the night. In the night, I won't read to you about the scientific article entitled "Honesty: One Effect of Prime Religious Representation." Most demonstrates most demonstration of the automatic activation of mental representation and resulting behavioral effects have been conducted in the context of specific stereotype. The main, the main purpose of these studies was to text was to text whether prime religious. The main purpose of these studies was to test whether prime religious representation can have automatic influence on relevance or pro-social behavior. Study 1, regardless of prior religious belief. Re- Regardless of prior religious belief. Study 2. Study 1 Study 1 found that participants primed with religious representation, religious word, cheated significantly less on a subsequent task. Study 2 replicated the result of study 1 with subliminal presentation of religious word and further found that participants intrinsic religiosity had no influence on rights. Study 2 replicated the result of study 1 with subliminal presentation of religious words and further found that participants' intrinsic religiosity had no influence one rates of cheating with the prime receipt. This result provide the first known demonstration of religious representation automatically, automatically influencing behavior. Implications for the psychology of religion are discussed. We like to believe that we do the things we do because we consequently defeat to do them. Defeat to do them. For example, imagine that you find yourself in the imagine that you find yourself in the middle of a difficult quantum physics test when suddenly Professor John answered his cell phone and then announced that the must leave immediately to go to the Holy Cross Hospital to see his son who has been in a car accident. When he has left the room, opened some students opened their notes to answer a question on this test. You think that it would be wrong for you to cheat, and you finish your test without looking at your notes. It is a case of you simply deciding not to cheat, or, or called more non-conscious processes be driving your decision. For example, called the words holy and cross have influenced who likely it was that you cheated. Called the same Called the same words non-consciously influence you differently depending on how religious you consider yourself to be. The research presented here explores similar questions. Thank you.